Shoot him, dude. He just killed my friend. Shoot him in the head. I'm gonna put a hole in your mouth. Is he dead?
Yeah, skr.
Good job, skr. Suspicious. If you do one thing, I will bop your ass, dude. Send you back to the Stone Age with one mouse click. Yeah, bopped your ass. Bopping your ass. Get bopped. Oh shit, I'm gonna get banned. I just realized. Right here, Slim Jim. Shoot him in the ass.
It's a T.
Search his body.
Search his body.
Yeah, see, we're good. Look at that. Dude, just because he's a mod doesn't mean he's above everybody. What are you doing? Stop doing. Alright, good job, Armor. There we go, got the bad guy.
Yeah.
Shoot the detective. Alright, there we go. Oh, Josh, do you have the noise ready?
Guys, do you want to hear my new fidget spinner? Here it goes.
Let's hear them new. Whoa, dude, that's too much for me.
That fidget spinner must be professional. He breaks his mic from that.
That's insane. I think he's a professional fidget spinner, guy.
Yeah, this is the certain for you to just get underwater. The guy in the tower's just there.
Wow. That's impressive.